This video will explain how to attach PDFs and other documents to your references in your EndNote library. So this video will demonstrate how to attach a PDF, the full text of a journal article, to a reference in my library. It's important to know that when you export references to your library, the PDF is not automatically added to the reference. You need to attach it yourself if you have it. So first of all, you need to have downloaded the PDF and saved it to your computer. So here's my PDF and I'm going to download and save it to my computer. Now I'll go to EndNote and select this reference inside the library. On the right-hand panel, we can see this Attach File button. Click this, and you need to look through your computer for where you've saved the PDF. Mine is here in the Downloads folder. Click Open. And in the right hand panel now, we can see that the PDF has been attached to the article. To make sure that you save it with the reference, we just need to click anywhere else in the screen and we will be asked if we want to save the changes to the reference. So press yes. The library has updated and we can see that the article has a paperclip symbol next to it, which means that it has an attachment. So now when we click on the reference, we can see the PDF is attached here. If we click the PDF, we can then press open to read it. The PDF opens in a new EndNote window. You can click this annotation button, a small speech bubble on the top left of the window, to open the annotation options. Here you can add sticky notes with comments, you can highlight, underline, or strike through text. And you can also use this search button on the top left of the screen to search through the text of the PDF. If you have annotated the PDF, you should remember to save the changes you've made using the Save button here on the top right of the window. This means that the annotations will be saved and they will be visible next time you open the file. For more help and advice about using EndNote, please visit the library website.